2023 Kia Sportage. Starting at $27,205. Overview. The 2023 Kia Sportage separates itself from the throng of compact crossovers with its extroverted styling. The Kia's unconventional face features a set of alien-looking headlights and a distinct grille design. Its bolder bodywork is also dimensionally bigger than before, which translates to more cargo space and a roomier interior. Inside, the new Sportage is both attractive and packed with tech that includes a massive dash-mounted screen. Motivation comes from a 187 HP four-cylinder, a 226 HP hybrid powertrain, or a more powerful plug-in hybrid model with an estimated all-electric range of 32 miles. With tough competition from segment stalwarts such as the Mazda CX-5, as well as updated opponents such as the new Honda CR-V, the 2023 Sportage will have to prove it has more to offer than just a wild-looking exterior. What's new for 2023? The Sportage enters an all-new generation for the 2023 model year when it reaches showrooms early next year. Among the changes compared with its predecessor are newly available hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. The latter addition gives the Kia a competitor to plug-in alternatives such as the Hyundai Tucson, the Toyota RAV4 Prime, and Mitsubishi Outlander. Pricing and which one to buy. LX. $27,205. X. $29,205. X Line. $32,005. SX. $32,705. SX Prestige. $34,705. X Pro. $35,705. X Pro Prestige. $38,005. We'd suggest the mid-range SX, which comes with nice-to-have features such as 18-inch aluminum wheels, a 10-way power-adjustable driver's seat with memory settings, a heated steering wheel, a Harman/Kardon stereo system, adaptive cruise control, and a cool 12.3-inch curved infotainment display. Engine, transmission, and performance. The Sportage's default powertrain is a 187 HP 2.5-liter four-cylinder that mates to an 8-speed automatic transmission. The hybrid variant mixes a turbocharged 1.6-liter 4 with a single electric motor that generates a combined 226 horses. Either powertrain can be paired with front or all-wheel drive. There's also an all-wheel drive only plug-in hybrid that shares an engine with the regular hybrid but adds a more powerful electric motor and a bigger battery pack. Kia claims the PHEV model can go 32 miles on electricity alone. The Sportage rides on a new platform with a longer wheelbase that's said to help provide better driving dynamics as well as reduce noise and vibration. The introduction of rugged-looking trims such as the X-Line gives the compact ute an off-road vibe, but the X Pro actually has some equipment to help tackle the rough stuff. It rides on black 17-inch rims and all-terrain tires, and features a selection of drive modes. Fuel economy and real-world MPG. The Sportage with the base 2.5-liter four-cylinder is rated for 25 mpg city and 32 mpg highway when equipped with front-wheel drive. All-wheel drive models are rated for 23 mpg city and 28 mpg highway. The EPA hasn't released fuel economy ratings for the hybrid or plug-in hybrid models, but we expect both to be thriftier than the non-hybrid. Once we can test one on our 75 mph fuel economy route, which is part of our extensive testing regimen, we can evaluate its real-world MPG. For more information about the Sportage's fuel economy, visit the EPA's website. Interior, comfort, and cargo. Inside, the Sportage looks to make an impression with a snazzy design highlighted by a huge digital display on the dashboard and other various eye-catching details. The images we've seen show an attractive two-tone color scheme, and the shape of the air vents on the dash are particularly distinct. The center console boasts a rotary shift knob, a push-to-start button, and myriad other controls that blend into the piano black bezel. Thanks to bigger dimensions overall as well as a longer wheelbase, the Sportage has more rear seat legroom and 40 cubic feet of cargo space behind the back seat. There's also a dual-level cargo floor for even more versatility. Infotainment and connectivity. On the infotainment front, the Sportage comes standard with desirable features such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Along with a large 12.3-inch instrument panel, there's an available 12.3-inch touchscreen that together form one seamless screen on the dashboard. There are also neat touch-sensitive controls below the infotainment interface that alternate between the climate system and the stereo. An upgraded Harman/Kardon unit is available as well as a wireless phone charger and a subscription-based Wi-Fi hotspot. Safety and driver assistance features. The new Sportage features a variety of standard and optional driver assistance technology. The roster includes everything from navigation-based adaptive cruise control and a remote parking feature that's essentially the same as Hyundai's Smart Park system. For more information about the Sportage's crash test results, visit the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS, websites. Key safety features include standard forward collision warning and automated emergency braking. Standard lane departure warning and lane keeping assist. Available blind spot monitor and rear cross traffic alert. Warranty and maintenance coverage. Kia boasts one of the best warranty plans out there, with the longest powertrain warranty in the industry. However, it lacks the complementary maintenance of competitors such as Toyota and even its corporate sibling, Hyundai. Limited warranty covers 5 years or 60,000 miles. Powertrain warranty covers 10 years or 100,000 miles. No complimentary scheduled maintenance.